So one more tip as you go through your major home renovation or your flip home, and it's to remember the why. And what I mean by this is remember why you're doing the project. It can get really stressful in the middle of a project. You know, things don't come out as you planned, or the whole project just changes scope. Maybe something doesn't look as good as you had envisioned it and wanted, but it's really easy in that moment to get frustrated and lose motivation. You can make quick decisions in those stressful moments, and they can be really costly, either with time or money. But if that happens, just take a moment and really reflect on why you're doing this. You know, maybe you're doing a project at your own home, and it's because you want to be really proud of the home you live in, and so there's real value and motivation in that. Or maybe this is an investment project and you're going to make some good money after you do this. So sit back and just think about, okay, there is an end and a positive end. Or maybe you're just doing this to help someone, help a friend, help a family member, and just make their lives better. And there's a ton in that too. So whatever it is, just take time out of your project as you're doing it. Maybe reflect, a few minutes a week or something, but just remember your why, because it will really make your whole project and experience much more positive and help keep your motivation strong right till the end.